And hello guys, and what's up? In today's video you will be learning how to make a table of contents in Microsoft Word. For example, I have just downloaded a document from internet, and you see that in this document I have a table of content already prepared, but this is not an automatic selection that if I just can come in here and just write 10 without a problem. So this is not an automated table of content. This has some problems. So what you will have to do is come down to the document, and in this document you have to select all these headings, and all these headings that you select, you should be giving them heading numbers like heading 1 and 2. For example, if this is the heading 1 and this is something that should come first, just like this guy here in here, so you have to do is come in here and select this guy, go to the left, the mouse changes to this side, and just select this guy and come to this point and select heading 1. So you can see that now the heading looks something like a bit of blue and a new shade, but I would not like that because this just destroys my documents formatting. So what I will do is I will just press Ctrl Z just to go back, and then as it was before I will just select it again now. And to this heading 1 part, you see this is right here, and for some people this may come in just about here, but right now this is right here, the heading 1 part. So you can just come here and press right click on this point and select update heading 1. So what happens now is that you see that the text in here has turned to black, and this setting has just gone to the heading 1 part. So whenever you select a heading 1, it will automatically convert itself to something like this. Similarly for heading 2, the formatting is different, it will change it to this, but I don't want it to be like this blue guy, so I will just press right click again and press update heading 2 to match selection. Similarly, come in here and select all these guys, and again heading 2. Then this is the bigger one, the main heading, so I will just select it again and go to heading 1. And similarly, I will just convert every part of the document to heading 1 and 2 respectively. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, and in this way, like this. So okay, I will just avoid wasting your time, and I will just do them all myself. For example, just one part, heading 3. How will I do that? Just this is because this is 3.2.1, so this comes out to be heading 3. I will just press right click here and update it to heading 3. So I will do them all, and then I will show you after that I have completed all those by converting them to heading 1, 2 and 3. So with all that, we return back to the table of contents, and in here we'll have to just delete the previous table of contents right here, just like that. Everything in here have to be deleted, just like that. And then at the start of this page, okay, we'll have to just go to this guy and make sure that this just goes to the next page. I'll go to the insert part and press page break. So now we have got the whole page to myself. Yeah, so in here I will come to the references part. In here, the references part, I will just click that, and in this references part, if you see at the left side, you have got a table of contents. So just select this table of contents part and press the first guy or the second guy, whatever you like. I will just press the second guy because I like it more. It writes table of contents. So after selecting this guy, what you can do is come in here and check that your table of contents has been created. Then just select this guy and go to home, center, just it is blue, so I'll just convert this to black, the black color, and here you go, your table of contents with the page number of the document has been selected. So you can just delete this extra page, and my document, I'll have to go back and go to the page break part, and then in this way you can see that table of contents has been created for this document in a very easy and automated form And the plus point is, if I press the control on my keyboard and come to any specific part of this document, I can just go there, just press the control key on your keyboard and press the left click, and you can go to that part of your document. So that's it, guys. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and other videos.